Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi on a low budget. First, let's talk about the most important ingredient, the rice. Choose a good quality short-grain rice, as it's essential for the right texture. Rinse your rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs completely clear. This step removes excess starch, ensuring your sushi rice isn't too sticky. Cook it according to package directions, typically with a 1-to-1 water ratio, for perfect results every time. Next, let's explore budget-friendly fillings that don't compromise on taste. Canned tuna, mixed with a little mayonnaise or imitation crab sticks, are excellent, affordable protein options. Don't forget fresh vegetables like crisp cucumber, creamy avocado, or crunchy carrots, which add great texture and color. You can also add a touch of cream cheese for a richer, more indulgent roll without breaking the bank. These simple ingredients make delicious and satisfying sushi. Now let's get to the fun part, rolling your sushi. You don't need fancy equipment. A simple bamboo rolling mat works wonders and is very affordable. For easier cleanup, cover your mat with plastic wrap before you start. When handling the rice, keep your hands slightly damp to prevent it from sticking. Spread a thin, even layer of rice, add your chosen fillings, and roll it up tightly for perfect, professional-looking sushi rolls every time. Finally, let's talk about the finishing touches and sauces to elevate your low-budget sushi. Classic soy sauce is always a perfect, inexpensive accompaniment. For a little kick, mix some sriracha with mayonnaise to create a creamy, spicy sauce. Don't forget to sprinkle a few sesame seeds on top for added flavor and a professional look. These small additions make a big difference, turning your homemade sushi into a delightful and impressive meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.